Another major event ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US. The focus is now on India-US bilateral trade. My colleague Sharad is here to explain how this bilateral trade between the two nations will receive a big boost from the PM's visit.
Well, yes, the important meet is coming up this week, and do remember that USA is India's largest trading partner. And of course, China comes in second with trading volumes of roughly $114 billion of trade. Now, the important thing is almost $28 billion of trade is actually in a surplus mode when it comes to US. And lastly, Prime Minister Modi would be actually meeting the top 20 CEOs of the companies in USA. Now, do remember that India-US trade ties, if you look at it, now let's do it segment-wise. For the defense, a joint production of G414 jet engines is expected to happen. And also, there are partnership expected, especially in the maritime operations. And this was very sure during the Quad meeting. Apart from this, also, advanced defense and tech cooperation would be in focus. Now, moving ahead, let's focus in the space segment. Over here, we look at it, there is a collaboration expected in the key areas, and these include planetary defense. Interestingly, there is commercial space activity and also human space flights. Now, apart from this, also looking at the communications part, as earlier it was stated in the meet, 4G and 5G tech stack would be in focus, and also the deployment of the entire 5G technology in India, that would be there, especially in the infra part as well as the technology segment. Now, do remember that there is the semiconductors part as well, where the Micron is expected to involve a large announcement of investment in the Indian markets. Now, do remember it's a semiconductor manufacturing company which is called Micron.
All right, Prime Minister Modi will be in United States for an official visit, and what from an India standpoint, what you may expect? You may expect large defense deal, big bilateral trades. It is evident that the dependence and the partnership between both United States and India, I think, is at its it's at an all-time high in terms of collaboration, negotiation, transfer of technology. US is India's largest trading partner, and you pretty much know that how China plus one policy, in a sense, is really having an impact there.